Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Bison Workshop. I'm Bob, and now we're doing some detailing work on some stuff. I had to get another regulator because that one, the ears was broke off of it and there was no way to mount it, and I just don't trust it anyway, so I went ahead and got a used one, which is the only one available. And what I've done is I took and painted it with a green that I have, and I'm hoping I have enough for all this kind of stuff for the whole four-wheeler. There are some places where I can use this color to give it an accent. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the vise, and we're going to make it look chrome on top of all these fins and this flat area over here on this side, and we'll leave the rest of it green, and I'll show you what we're going to do. So right there's what we're going to do. We're going to put this in the middle, and then that way we can screw it down here. So now we've got to brush it out. And now everywhere it's got paint is where it's supposed to be, and everywhere I don't want paint, ain't no paint there. So now that we've got it polished, now we just go in here and clean all the dust out of it. Down in on that paint and get that cleaned up. Alright. So now we've got all the chrome part cleaned up the way we want it. Now we'll go ahead and take our tape off. I don't like painting plugs, so I mask them off too. So now it looks original, just the way it is. So we'll let you get a closer look. And right there it is. Looks pretty decent, and I plan to use that color as my theme So now this one can be bolted down, the other one couldn't. And I probably could have made something, but I didn't have the metal or anything to make something that really looks good. I mean, there's a possibility I could have had a piece of metal or aluminum that I could make a bracket for it to fit every top of this, but then you're still taking away from your cooling, because that's what these are for, so air will pass between them and somewhat keep that cool. So it's basically a thermostat. So if you plug it up and add more to it, then it's going to get hotter. So it's best just leave it well enough alone. I think that looks good. It looks like a new one. Somebody will think I went and paid $1 million for that thing. Isn't that the goal in life? So there you have it. Bison's way of making something old look like you just went and spent $100 on it. And that's how you pimp your regulator for your Big Bear. So hope y'all got something out of this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you want to help the shop out, you can do so with PayPal at bisonworkshop@gmail.com. Anyway, you guys have a good one. Later.